Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make this lovely dress. If it's your first time coming across my page, please do not forget to like, share and also subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So what I did was that from my waistline to that's my half cut to how long I want the dress to do, plus 2 inches for the folding allowance. But note, if as my waist was 17.5, I put it at 18 because of the half inch I was using to join it to the upper part. Then I gave my 2 inches allowance. So this is it. This is how it looks. So everything resulted to 41 plus the 2 inches allowance. So I just marked it out. So you can see me doing so I'll know where I'm going to be folding. Then I divided my waist by 4. As you can see me doing so right now. Then I placed the tape to my hip point plus half inch. Remember, we're going to join it to the upper part. So I divided my hip by 4 plus my allowance, and also my knee divided by 4 plus my sewing allowance. So that's what I did here. So I just connected all the points with my rule. As you can see me doing so right now. We're just drawing it together, trying to connect it. So sorry that you could not see it so well because of the chalk. I made use of a yellow chalk. So what I did here is that I'm cutting the back, so I'm marking my hip points. Then remember, I gave my sewing allowance, which is 1.5 each. Then from my hip point downward, I'll be marking half of it. Then I'm going to be slanting it to the 1.5 divided by 2. Then I'm going to replace it at that other side. You can see me doing so now to give it that your hip contour. So I'm cutting the upper part now. So I'll just move from my shoulder to my waist, divide my shoulder by 2, then mark my armhole, which is my bust divided by 6 plus 2 inches. Then drew my 1 inch for shoulder slant, came out like from that place to my armhole divided by 2, then came in with 0.75. So I just like roll it. Then at that my armhole place, I divide my bust by 4, but add my sewing allowance, my waist divided by 4, added my sewing allowance. So that was what I did. But yeah, I was just drawing my neckline, but I don't really need it. I'll just draw it. So this is how deep I want my neck to be. So that was what I was doing, how deep I want it to be. So I just curved it because it's not really a straight neck. I curved it, then I'll just be cutting it out. As you can see me doing so. So what I'll be doing is I'll be cutting my back. So I just place it, just as zipper allowance was not shown, I just gave my zipper allowance. So I'll be cutting it out with my front piece, just that the back will be deeper from the armhole line. So I'll just straighten it and cut it out. Remember, I'm going to cut another pattern piece like this with the two, because I'm going to use to be turning it. You understand? So that was what I did here. I just cut it out. This is my back piece. So guys, this is how it looks, the back and the front piece. So what I was doing is I'm trying to get how many I removed. So I'll just be placing my tape on my half cut, then to know how many. So this was how many I removed. I'll just put it in my mind. That was 8 plus my front, which I removed 5.5 if I'm not mistaken. So I'll just be putting it together to know how long that strap is going to be, that spaghetti hand is going to be. So what I'll be doing here is that I'll be removing 0.15, then slant it to my waistline. Why is that? My front and my back waistline is different, because my back waistline was smaller with 1.5 inch from my front, so I'll just remove it to prevent my zip from bulging out. So hope you get what I mean by that. So this is the strap I cut plus half an inch, you understand. So this is how I'm going to place it. After I'll sew the strap first like this. I'm going to sew it, then put it under, as you can see. So just sew it round. So this is it. I'll just do the same for my back piece, then I'll be joining it to the front piece, that's the under, the back and the front to the under piece. This is how I'm going to be doing it. So this is how it looks after joining it, then folding my under allowance, facing my zipper. So this was how it looks. So I'm to be do the stuff. What I'll be doing is that I'll be marking my allowance out, so I'll know where I'm going to start gathering it, you understand. So this one I'm going to be using the other side now. I'll be using the other side first. I'll be doing the other side. So this is how I'll be putting it. As you can see, after marking my allowance, then I'll start gathering it. Then after I'm done, I'll just be shaping it. So guys, this was the final look. If this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.